Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for June 1st, 2020. On the left side here is the SBY, the Spider SB 500 ETF chart, daily chart. As you can see that the last couple of days, the market is still be able to hold up pretty well above the 200-day moving average, and they have no problem of or give it any side that reversal to the downside yet. So far, the trend is still up, so we still stick with the upside. However, when it hit to the 310 level here, then we have to be monitored more carefully because this is a lot of heavy resistance waiting for them right here. So if you're in the look at the right side here, that even the SP 500 today in our live trading room, we know that the market they have a tough time with a lot of things happen outside, the riot, a curfew, and things happen that cause a lot of problems. So the market had have a tough time to break to the pivot resistance area here. So they pump it up and get stuck in there, and then they pull it up after hour. So right now the market they have a strong support in this level here. So let's see if they're able to hold up. If they're able to hold up, they will build some momentum and then try to break out this area and then continue to test the 3100. I think that's where the market will have some issue there. Okay, but at this moment, as long as the trend is still up, we still stick with the upside until they change the direction. And if you are day trader today, that you know that in the short term, in the market, it has problem to break to this level here. So when the market open, they pump it up, okay, and couple times, and then they get stuck into the area there, and then they go sideways, and then after hour they do go sideways to the downside. All right. So if you look at the weekend market forecast that I make it for you, you can see that a lot of stock like Tesla stock, okay, with the boost of SpaceX, okay. So maybe Elon Musk they put the two astronauts into the Tesla Model X, and then they took up successfully. So that's why it gives momentum for Tesla to pump up today. They jump up 60 points in one day after we highlight yesterday, and now they continue to head to the top here. So it seems like the momentum is still very strong, and if they're able to break out the area on the top here, they will find a new destination for 1,000 mark. Okay, let's see how far they can go. But definitely today it's a lot of momentum put into this stock here. A lot of stock that we have been mentioned for last 2 weeks, like Adobe, it still continues in the upside, and Boeing is start find the runway for themselves to push it up a little bit here. Let's see how far they can go. Beyond this, they gain some more market share in China. So this one here, if they be able to break out this level, they will continue to go higher. So this is all we have for you today. And by the way, today I just don't have time to trade much, but we have a power outage. But to jump in and make a quick trade for $1,153 for June 1st. So it's okay. This is short-term income. That's the ATM machine method that I'm keep talking to you. And for bigger things like the kind of stuff you swing trade, so you can build your wealth, you will make more money. So if you'd like to learn more how to trade, how to understand the financial market, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com. Or if you like what I'm doing here for you, give me a thumb up and sign up with the YouTube. So every time I have a new video, I will bring it up for you so that you can watch it and you can take a look to see that anything can help you out in trading. All right. So thank you very much for watching. We will see you on the next video.